Hello guys, my name is Fashila Gwenga, and on this episode of Creating Hands Concept Tutorials, I'll be teaching you how to take your pictures from this to this. Using your blur. Today we'll be using the blur tool, so I'll be teaching you guys how to use the blur tool to make your picture stand out and be more creative with your pictures. So guys, this is my own. After using the blur tool, you can see I grouped them. So let's try opening the ones I grouped and see what's inside. So I'm going to delete mine now and we'll start to get to do it from scratch, so you see how I did it. Alright guys, so just sit back, relax and enjoy the video, and please don't forget to comment, to subscribe to our YouTube channel, and please click on the notification bell to be for new update on any video that just dropped. So thank you guys. Let's go. So first thing you do is select your subject using your quick selection tool. Select your subject. Sorry, I don't know what's happened to my system today, it's a bit slow. So you select subject by using your select subject this thing, or you go to select. Sorry, my system is slow. Just go direct and just click on the select subject that is here. Okay, since it's open with your subject here, you just click on subject and to make the selection. So we just hold on, let it run through the selection for us guys. Alright guys, you can see our selection is done. So we just right click on your mouse, then you go to layer via cut, then your image will be separated from the background. So guys, you can see my subject is now, it has been separated from the background. So we make copies of the subject twice, which is Ctrl J. That's the shortcut key for the duplication of either a subject or a layer. It's Ctrl J. So press it, this one, then we'll make another one again, which is Ctrl J again. Alright, so we are now working on the first one, which is the copied one too. We are working on the first copy and the original image. So after this, now go back to your move tool, so you can move the images around, so you can get a very nice effect of the blur. Sorry, I moved the wrong one. Let me just Ctrl Z. case you do any error, to undo your mistake is Ctrl Z. Let's just do it easier way. You Ctrl T, you can transform it. It'll be easy for us to move. Good. Just hold and move. Don't take it out too much, so just control. Actually, it just depends on how you want the blood to look like, but mine just keep it to a minimum way, so I won't move the image out too much. So we click on enter, then go to the other one too, do the same thing. Alright guys, it's done. So after this, now we'll go to the first image, do the same thing again with Ctrl T, so we can move it. This time now I'm moving in the opposite direction. Okay. Alright, this is good. Alright, now so we're going now straight to the blur. First click on your enter, so the transform can be applied. Alright guys, this is nice. So now we'll go to your filter, go to your blur. We are using radial blur. Please don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel and always comment on the comment, so you can comment or ask questions. So drop your question or any video that you want me to make next, so I can make a video for you. Alright, our radial blur is loading. It's loading. I don't know what's happened this night. My system is a bit slow, but never mind, we'll get there. Alright guys, our radial blur is now open. So we'll move it so you can see the effects of it. So now on this amount, you can just play around to see which amount suits what you're looking for. I take it to a very high amount, maybe like 100 and something. 100 for me is okay. You click on OK. You need to apply. So let it load. Alright guys, our radial blur is done, so let's just wait and see the result, how it will look like to come out. Wow guys, you can see this is the effect. This height come out after the radial blur. Let me show you the before and after. You can see this is before without the radial blur, and this is after. So we'll do the same thing for the other layer too. Okay, so now instead of waiting patiently for the blur to apply, we just go to our direct filter and just apply the preset for the radial blur that I did for the first one. So you just apply automatically to the other one without wasting much time. Alright guys, our second one too has been applied. So now we just get to clean some part that we don't want to see. So we are going to be using our masking layer. We're using our masking layer to clean the parts that we don't want to see. So now we'll go to our brush. The shortcut key is B. Make sure your opacity is on 100 and your hardness is on 0. So I'll check I'll click on my DB, letter B, to take me straight to my brush. So you can see my opacity is 100, my flow is 100. So I'll right click, check my hardness. I see my hardness is on 0, so it's good for me. So now I don't want to see this part of the shoe. I don't want it to be having that effect, so I'll just clean it out. I don't want the shoe to have the effect. So go to the next layer too. You see, create a maxing layer for it too. A maxing layer. Then you clean too. Okay, guys, this is good. And for in case maybe you see that the blur is a bit too harsh, and maybe like it's too poppy out for you, you can just come over to and reduce your opacity. Just drop your opacity to the amount that you want. And guys, it's not must that you must have to create 2 layers. If you want, you can still work with 1 layer. Your blur will still come out nice. But I just prefer to work on 2 layers so that I can have a beautiful blur effect. As you can see, even the 1 blur effect is nice, but I prefer to work on 2 blur effects. So guys, let's group our work so I can show you the before and after, how it looks like. Ctrl G is for group. So guys, our work has been grouped. So now let's see before. You can see the before we added all our beautification, all our blur. This is how the image look like. It's still looking beautiful, but just to make it look more outstanding and more creative, so we did the blur, and these are after. You can see the effects before and after. So guys, thank you very much for your time. Thank you very much for your patience. I hope you liked the video, and don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel and click on the notification bell to be updated for any latest video we drop. So guys, thank you very much. Peace out.